हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल टारगेट विद वीर। आज इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी सीजीएल 2019 के जीके के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। यह हमारा सीरीज़ का पार्ट 4 है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। देन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी वाज साइंड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान ऑन। देन इट्स आंसर इज 19 September 1960। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द गदर party was formed in the year. Then its answer is 1913. Next question is also known as Golden City. Then its answer is Jaisalmer. Next question, the excavated remains of found near Patna in Bihar was inscribed as World Heritage Site by UNESCO in July 2016. Then its answer is Nalanda Mahavyara. Nalanda Mahavyara. Next question, the depreciation is an annual allowance for wear and tear of. Then its answer is capital goods. Next question, are homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Then its answer is solution. Next question, seventh, the aggregate value of goods and services produced in an economy can be calculated by three methods: income methods, expenditure method, and next method कौन सा होगा? Next method is product value added. Next question, the in China is the world longest man-made waterway. Then its answer is Grand Canal. Next question, India won its successive title at South Asian Football Federation Women Championship in March 2019. Then its answer is कौन सा था? Fifth. Next question, renounced his knighthood in protest for Jallianwala Bagh mass killing. Then its answer is Ravindranath Tagore. Next question, 12th, name the first Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Then its answer is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next question, Dharmraj, Yudhishthir Rath, Bhim Rath, Arjun Rath, and Nakul Sahadev Rath are four of the Panch Rathas as Rath at Mahabalipuram. What is the name of fifth Rath? Fifth Rath का नाम पूछा है इन्होंने. Then its answer is third, Draupadi Rath. 14th, which of the following is not located in Odisha? Then its answer is Sonitpur Elephant Reserve. Next question, the Hyderabad Fund had been held by the in the account of High Commissioner of Pakistan to UK, Habib Ibrahim Rahimtollah. Then its answer is National Westminster Bank. Next question, 16th, pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of. Then its answer is B12. Next question, which of the following is not an ore of iron? Then its answer is cuprite. Next question, the Indian Army is set to commission the first batch of women soldier by year. कौन से ईयर से? Then its answer is 2021. Next question, the National Commission for Backward Classes was formed by insertion of article in the Constitution of India. Then its answer is Article 338B. 338B. Next question, 20. The headquarters of Board of Control of India in PCCI are located in. Then its answer is Mumbai. Next question, 21st. The total number of images formed by two mirrors inclined at 120 degrees to each other is. Then its answer is 2. कितने इमेज बना था? 2. Next question, the Patna Awards are announced around every year. Then its answer is Republic Patna Award नहीं, Padma Awards. The Padma Awards are announced around every year. Then its answer is Republic Day. Next question. Which of the following can be used as a catalyst in hydrogenation reaction? Then its answer is palladium. Palladium. Next question. 24th. Name the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. Then its answer is Arunima Sinha. Next question. 25th. Part 8 of Constitution of India deals with. Then its answer is Union Territories. Next question. Which of the following companies has roped in cricketer Harbhajan Singh as its brand ambassador in 2019? Then its answer is Brune and Bear Skin. Brune and Bear Skin. Next question. Birach River, a southern side tributary of Banas River, originates from the hills in which of the following districts of Rajasthan? Then its answer is Udaipur. Next question. Who was honored with the first recipient of Mupappa Varappa National Award of Social Service at Hyderabad on 9th January 2020? Then its answer is Dr. Mankombu Sambhavishivan Swaminathan. MS Swaminathan मतलब. Next question. 4th. Who among the following conceived the Kakori train robbery in 1925? Then its answer is Ram Prasad Bismil or Asfaqullah Khan. Asfaqullah Khan. Next question. What is the ranking of India in the World Economic Forum's World Travel Tourism Competitiveness Index for the year 2019? Then its answer is 34. Next question. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Cotton gin या gin? Then its answer is Ali Whitney. Ali Whitney. Gin. Cotton gin. Ali Whitney. Then its answer is Ali Whitney. Next question. 7th. Which of the following is also known as Epsom salt? Then its answer is magnesium sulfate. Next question. 8th. Which of the following is used to control pest fish? Then its answer is pesticides. Pesticides. Next question. 9th. In which of the following cities is the tomb of Rani of Jhansi situated? Then its answer is Gwalior. Next question. 10th. The international naval event Milan is scheduled to be held in March 2020. Then its answer is Visakhapatnam. Next question. 11th. Which of the following authorities launched PPRTMS Political Parties Registration Tracking Management System? Then its answer is Election Commission of India. Next question. 12th. Which of the following viceroys of India addressed the Bengal famine of 1943 by ordering the army to distribute relief supplies to the starving rural Bengalis? Then its answer is Lord Linlithgow. Lord Linlithgow. Next question. Which of the following acid is not present in grapes? Then its answer is acetic acid. Next question. 14. In memory of whom is the Madhapur Mela of Gujarat celebrated? Then its answer is Lord Krishna and Rukmini. Next question. In which of the following years was the Congress Socialist Party CSP founded? Then its answer is 1934. 1934. Next question. 16. According to data available as of 2019, how many national parks are situated in India? Then its answer is 104. Next question. 17. Who among the following is the chairman of 15th Finance Commission of India? Then its answer is N.K. Singh. 18th. Who among the following founded the Bombay Stock Exchange? Then its answer is Premchand Roychand. Next question. 19. Who among the following Indian weightlifters has been banned for 4 years by NADA after being found guilty of a doping violation during the 34th Women Senior National Weightlifting Championship held at Visakhapatnam? Then his answer is Sarbjeet Kaur. Next question 20. Who among the following has been appointed as Director of National Book Trust on 11 January 2020? Then his answer is Lieutenant Colonel Yuvraj Malik. Next question 21. Which of the following academies organized the Tansen Sangeet Samaroh in Gwalior? Then his answer is Ustad Alauddin Khan Kala Awam Sangeet Academy. Next question 22. In which of the following state was the 12th naval exercise Nasim Al Bahar between India and Oman held? Then its answer is Goa. Next question. Which of the following is used as a substitute of mercury in thermometer? Then its answer is Galistan. Galinstan. Next question. 24th. How many national highways were merged to form National Highway 44? Then its answer is 7. Next question 25. Under which article of Indian Constitution are special provision provided to language spoken in a section of the population? And its answer is Article 347. Next question. Name the Indian wrestler who was being named the Junior Freestyle Wrestler of the Year 2019 by United World Wrestling. Then its answer is Deepak Punia. Next question. Which international organization released the World Energy Outlook 2019 report? Then its answer is International Energy Agency. Next question. The Supreme Court has declared access to internet a fundamental right under article. कौन से आर्टिकल के अंदर क्या है? Then its answer is Article 19. Next question. 4th. Meru Nisha, who was known as Noor Jahan, was wife of. Then its answer is Jahangir. Next question. 5th. Alicia Haley, who created a world record by becoming the highest scorer in Women T20, belongs to. Then its answer is Australia. Alicia Haley. Next question. 6th. If the inflation in an economy is rising steadily, the central bank might. Then its answer is increase the repo rate. Next question. 7th. Merchant discount rate refers to. Then its answer is the rate charged to a merchant for payment processing services on debit and credit card transaction. Next question. 8th. Which Indian journalist was honored with Indian Most Powerful Woman in Media Award during the prestigious Confluence Excellence Award ceremony held in British Parliament on 27 September 2019? Then its answer is Kali Puri. Next question. 9th. In which year did DC Sirkar publish Indian Epigraphy and Indian Epigraphical Glossary? Then its answer is 1965-66. Next question. 10th. To which of the following Indian state does Mardani Khel of one of the famous martial art forms in India belong? Then its answer is 3rd Maharashtra. Next question. 11th. Which of the following disease is not transmitted from one person to another? Then its answer is cirrhosis. Next question. 12th. When did the Vikram era begin? Then its answer is 357 BC. Next question. 13. Who is the first general of Indian Army whose retirement day is celebrated as Armed Forces Veterans Day every year? Then its answer is General K.M. Kariappa. Next question. 14. The SDG India Index is developed by. Then its answer is Niti Aayog. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 15th. Which of the following is the first South Asian country to call match fixing a crime? Then his answer is second, Sri Lanka. Next question. Who performs the task of capturing oxygen in the blood? Then his answer is hemoglobin. Next question. On which river in which state is the Jayakvadi Dam situated? Then his answer is Godavari River, Maharashtra. Next question 18th. Which leader gave us the CR formula? Then his answer is C. Rajgopalachari. Rajgopalachari. Next question 19th. Name the only metal that is antibacterial. Then his answer is copper. Next question. Madhavpur Mela takes place in. Then his answer is Gujarat. Next question. Which of the following is natural flame retardant? Then its answer is DNA. Next question. 22nd. In the sequence of planets in the solar system, which planet comes in between Mercury and Earth? Then its answer is Venus. Next question. Which of the following gases is the consistently seen to be most abundant in volcanic eruption? Then its answer is water vapor. Next question 24th. Which of the following is the primary sex organ in females? Then its answer is ovary. Next question 25th. UN woman proposes to partner with Gender Park with an aim to secure gender parity in South Asia. Then its answer is Kerala. तो ये हमारी आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.